String Interpolation, Part 1, Pattern Matching and Parsing. I'm going to use challenge number 1 from the book Crafting Interpreters to show a way to solve the string interpolation problem without inventing new tokens. The challenge uses JavaScript $brace notation for interpolation. JavaScript allows any legal JavaScript expression inside of the interpolation. This challenge uses only JavaScript strings instead of full-blown JavaScript expressions. I will concentrate mostly on how to deal with this challenge using only strings. The sample grammar contains the beginnings of expression interpolation. This solution is done in 2 steps. Step 1, parse the string. Step 2, rewrite the string in terms of function calls to a function called strcat, which concatenates 2 strings and returns a single string. Build a grammar for breaking the string up into parts. I've decided to invent a tiny DSL that contains exactly one statement, print, which takes exactly one argument, an expression. Again, this challenge concentrates only on simple expressions that are strings that might contain recursive string interpolations. The integer expr rule shows the beginnings of how one might handle a larger range of expressions inside of interpolations. Here is a manually drawn parse tree for the sample string given by the challenge, couched as a print statement in the little DSL. The subtrees below the raw chars rule have been elided to reduce the amount of detail in the drawing. For completeness, here are the elided subtrees. These trees just show matches of single characters. We use the parser to decompose the statement into parts. There are 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4. The test program contains nothing at the end of the print statement, so the parser returns the empty string for the 4th part, spaces. The parser uses the grammar rules to recursively decompose the statement and the string. I skip a lot of the steps and concentrate on how the string is decomposed. The parser strips off parts of the string from the front, then feeds what's left back into the parser. The parser matches the chars pair branch of the innards rule. The front part of the string, the letters N, E, S, T, E, and D, matches the raw chars rule. The leftover characters are reparsed using the innards rule. The raw chars rule matches all characters from the left until it hits a $, followed by an open brace. As the parser dives in and reparses the leftovers from the first round, it matches the interpolation rule as 4 distinct pieces. The most interesting piece matches the expr rule on the string branch. This substring contains characters and matches the with innards branch of the string rule. As we reparse, the parser again matches the chars pair branch of the innards rule. Again, it matches up to the $ brace and splits the string into 2 pieces. And again, the parser matches the interpolation rule and sends the 3rd piece, expr, in for reprocessing. This time, only raw letters remain, so the chars branch of the innards rule is chosen. And the parser finishes parsing having chopped up the string into a set of Russian dolls.